Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Litecoin from Metamask to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're consolidating your holdings or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step guide will get you there without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed on your browser and that your Litecoin, LTC, is already in your wallet. If not, you'll need to add Lieutenant Colonel as a custom token. It's straightforward, but double-check the network details to avoid errors. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension and log in to your account. Ensure you're on the correct network for Litecoin. That's usually the Litecoin network itself, so switch if needed. Next, head over to Crypto.com. Log in to your account and navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll find your Litecoin deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's unique to your account. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back in Metamask, select your Litecoin wallet. Click on Send, and paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of LTC you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. They're usually low for Litecoin, but it's good to check current rates. Review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation on your screen. Keep an eye on it. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Crypto.com wallet, depending on network congestion. And just like that, you're done. Transferring crypto can feel intimidating at first, but with these steps, you'll be a pro in no time. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the platform's support or double-check your settings. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.